Welcome to 30 Day Reviews. I'm Justin and I use all the products for around 30 days before giving you a full review. About a month ago, Lucky Frank's was so nice and sent me out this box that contained their complete wet shaving kit. And today we're going to take a look at just one of those items, and that is the double edge razor. Now, one thing that I like about Lucky Frank's is that he doesn't try to hide anything. He puts everything right on his website to tell you exactly what it is and where it is made. And right on the website, plain out says that this is made in Pakistan, which is fine with me because quite honestly, there are a lot of razors that are made there. However, it is definitely assembled and put together right here in the good old USA. This razor is completely powder coated in black and it has a nice brass handle that simply unscrews to be able to take the two-piece head apart and get to the Astra blade that the kit comes with. This razor comes in at a hefty 3.8 ounces, and let me tell you what, it feels so nice in the hand, being a little bit heavier than some others. The handle also has 4 deep grooves in it, 2 by the head and 2 by the end of the handle, along with a crisscross pattern just about all the way up and down, except for just at the ends and just up by the head. And because of both those things, you don't have to worry about it slipping out of your hand. When it gets to actually shaving with this, that weight is so nice. It just puts the right amount of pressure on my skin to be able to cut those hairs nice and close, which means all I have to do is find my angle. He sent this to me with the Astra Platinum blades, which I think are a very nice blade in this razor. They're a nice sharp blade and last me quite a while. Through the month and a half that I've used this, I've only had to change the blade once, but I do have a little bit thinner hair than some of you out there. I really enjoyed using this razor the entire time that I have been testing it. I only found one thing, and it's kind of one of those things that you find on most razors that have the little wings of the blade that stick out, and that is that you kind of got to be careful on some parts of the neck so you're not scratching yourself, along with above and below the ear. But other than that, I found this to be a very delightful razor to shave with. The worst thing about this razor, I think, is that you can't buy it by itself. You have to buy it in a kit, and the cheapest kit that you can get it in is just $30. And that comes with the razor and some shave soap. I'm hoping that he'll eventually offer it separately, but I'll have all the shave sets down below for you to check out. To see the other reviews that I've done of Lucky Frank's, make sure to check out the playlist above. And to see another review that you'll probably like, check the video down below. And of course, if you like this review, give me a big thumbs up down below, hit that subscribe button, let me know what razor you're currently shaving with, and until next time, as always, you have a good one.